talk about 6 things you need to know before you start your channel. You don't get paid simply because people like, share, and subscribe to your channel. Editing a video is not easy. Yes, you spend 5 to 8 hours sometimes editing one. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, if it's your first time on this platform, you're welcome, and to my OGs, welcome and thank you once more for subscribing or for watching this video. So today guys, I finally made time and went to the salon and I did this hair. Oh my god, I know you won't understand, okay, but when you watch my next upload, my next video, you understand what I mean. Okay guys, the background has changed. Yes, we are outdoor, we are outside, we are in the garden. There is a lot happening in this country and it creates some heat in there. Okay, sometimes you just need this freshness to detoxify the whole system, the entire system. Okay, so please pardon me. Okay, our sit down videos, the background is going to change from time to time, the location is going to change from time to time. Yes, sometimes we'll be indoors, sometimes we'll be, so please just pardon me and get ready, expect that it will happen. Okay, so because whenever I just have a little time, wherever I am, I just get into shooting a video. So guys, as you must have seen from the title of this video, we are going to talk about 6 things that you need to know before you start your own YouTube channel. Yes, 6 things. The first thing is monetization. YouTube is a money-making platform. Yes, I know you know that. That's probably the reason why you decided to start your own channel, or you're thinking about starting your own channel. Okay, but let that not be your most motivating and driving factor. Yes, get that straight from me. Let it not be. I know some of you may be thinking, oh, you should just start it, you'll be checking my subscriber counts, and you're like, where is she to be giving us this advice? But let me tell you, I am best placed, I'm at the best position to give you this advice because I just started, and all these difficulties, all these factors are still fresh in mind, freshly embedded. Okay, so don't let the fact that you make money on this platform to be your driving force. Okay, if not, you are going to end it. You're going to stop shooting video even before you actually get started, because it is not easy. Yes, it's not easy. So we are going to go to the second point. The second point is how you make money on this platform. Guys, let me tell you, you don't make money simply because your viewers, they like your video, they shared your video, or maybe they subscribe to your channel. You don't make money that way. Many people think that. You know why I say so? When you start your channel, you understand. Especially when you're a baby channel like I am now. When you're a baby channel, you understand. Okay, because you write to some friends, invite them, or maybe plead with them to check out your channel and subscribe. Some will ask you, how much will you pay me? Some will be like, okay, I will do it. But whenever you go to your YouTube studio and you check your subscriber count, it has not increased. Because, as I've realized, people think that once they like, they share, or they subscribe to your channel, automatically you make money. It is not so, sweetheart. It is not the case. You don't make money that easily. Okay, even though the subscription may be a step that could lead to you getting money, but one-way subscription right away, like, share, thumbs up, it doesn't give you money. Okay, it does not give you money. Let me put this serious face because it is a serious matter. Let's go to the third point. Please pardon me. Okay, the third point we'll be talking about is planning. You don't just get up one morning, okay, because you googled and you saw that you can make money on YouTube. You don't just get up one morning and you start shooting a video. You start making videos. It doesn't happen. It doesn't. It needs so much planning. I mean, so much planning. You need to follow other YouTubers, especially the big ones, or maybe those that deal with your niche. If, for example, you want to start a cooking channel or you want to start a beauty makeup channel, you need to follow other YouTubers that do the same thing, okay? Once you follow them, you see how they do things, you have to observe them for a long time before you get started. There are so many other things you need to learn. You need to learn how to edit videos. You need to learn how to use your camera or your phone, if that's what you're using, how to use it, how to position it. You also need to download so many apps. Maybe if you're a baby channel, you're just starting, you won't just start going to buy so many gadgets, okay? Buy a camera, buy a tripod, buy your light stand. No, okay? You can start with just what you have. So you need to learn how to use some free apps, how they work, okay? I'll just talk about my example. I have been working on this YouTube project for over a year. Yes, over 1 year that I've been working on this YouTube project. There is so much to learn, guys. Once you get into it, then you realize there's just so much to learn. So starting a YouTube channel is a project, and you have to plan before you get started. So right away, number 4 thing we are going to talk about is subscription. Nobody owes you a subscription. Yes, know that. Nobody owes you a subscription when you start your channel, okay? Because once you get started, you think that you know so many people. Oh my God, I am on this group. I am in this whatsoever. I know so many people. It will just be easy for me to have subscribers. I am such a person. I mean, I know so many people. This is the 3rd week I'm starting my channel, and I could never believe that at this stage I will still be in less than 100 subscribers. I could never believe it. So you write up somebody, you build a person to subscribe to your channel, and they'll just be dangling about it. They'll just be like, guys, if you think that somebody owes you a subscription, man, you're really going to be hurt. Yes, you're going to be hurt, though it's normal to get hurt. So just keep it in your mind that nobody owes you a subscription. Those that willfully accept, those that are so happy that you started a channel and are supporting you, be grateful and always thank them for that, okay? Always thank them for that, because even your closest friends, those that you think they love you so much, they will hesitate and may not even subscribe to your channel. Probably until when you must have grown bigger before they will consider subscribing. Okay? So that is it for our 4th point. So just get busy. Our advice, just get busy making content. Create as much quality content as you can, okay? Create as much quality content as you can. Along the line, these people may watch you and they check your content, and they'll be pushed then to subscribe. I know some people do not like to just you've shot just 2 videos and you're inviting them to subscribe to your channel. Some people don't want to subscribe to a channel when they don't even know what you'll be offering them. Okay, so just get busy creating quality content, and gradually your own door will be knocked. Okay, so that's it for the 4th. We'll go to the 5th point. Are discouraging factors. Yes, there will be so many discouraging factors. Yes, as a beginner, so many. Worst if you started your channel with your phone as I am. Oh my God, there are some days I just feel like, let me stop. Guys, my phone always started giving me heartache when I started my YouTube. You sit down doing your video, you talk for a long time, especially since I'm always struggling with time. When I maybe devote 20 minutes or 30 minutes, I want to shoot this video, you struggle, you sit down and you check. Nothing has been recorded. You want to check your battery. My battery has run down completely. Sometimes you go out to vlog. Oh my God, to vlog. That's making video in various locations. People are not used to, they don't even know what is YouTube. You tell them I'm a YouTuber, they don't know. And they'll be like, "No me film pa, please. I don't want to come out. What are you doing?" So you may feel discouraged. You may feel discouraged, sorry. Data will be another problem. You convert data, you will not be able to make the most use of it, and off it's finished because YouTube needs so much time and data. All the apps you download to upload a video, it takes so much time, so much data. So there will be so many discouraging factors, okay? So know that before you start your channel. Don't think it's gonna be a bed of roses. It won't be, okay? So the sixth and our last point is that there is joy in YouTubing. Yes, there is joy, man. Amongst all the negativity, there is some good vibes, okay? There is joy. Once you upload, you do your video, you even watch yourself talking, and you think of the time you took to create that content. Sometimes you need to make research. You feel happy, okay? Now when you upload a video, people watch and sometimes drop some comments down there like, "Oh, I have learned something new. Oh, I never knew this is it. Oh, thank you for showing me this spot in Douala in Cameroon. I never knew." When you read those comments, man, there is this butterfly that makes in your heart jingling, jingling, jingling. You can't explain until you're there. There is this other joy, this family you form, okay? I know I'm still a baby out here, okay? But just these people I know that constantly watch me. Sometimes when I do some mistake, they come they DM me and tell me. I feel I have a family that loves me and it brings me joy, okay? So that is it, guys. That is it. I will just list these 6 points. There are many, many, many other things that you need to know, but we are going to end here because we don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? I promise you I'll always serve you so much juicy content. So guys, watch out for my next video, okay? Watch out for my next video. Stay blessed. Love you. Bye.